In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot app not working. If Copilot is not loading, getting stuck on a blank screen, crashing, freezing, or showing login and service errors, don't worry. We're going to walk through the most effective fixes in a clear and practical way so you can get the app working again. First, check your internet connection. Copilot depends on a stable connection to load properly and communicate with Microsoft servers. If your internet is weak or unstable, the app may hang, fail to sign in, or show a blank page. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if available, and make sure your connection is actually working in other apps or websites. After that, sign out of Microsoft Copilot and then sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix account-related glitches. Also, confirm that your Microsoft account is active and accessible. Once that's done, restart the app and test it again. If the problem continues, the next step is to update or reinstall the app. Go to your device's App Store or Software Update section and check whether a newer version of Microsoft Copilot is available. Installing the latest version can fix bugs, improve compatibility, and resolve startup issues. If the app is already updated but still crashes or won't open, uninstall it completely and then reinstall it. After reinstalling, restart your device before opening the app again. That extra restart helps clear temporary problems and ensures the new installation loads correctly. Another common fix is clearing the app cache and reviewing permissions. Over time, temporary files can become corrupted and cause slow performance, loading errors, or missing features. Clear the Copilot app cache and temporary files through your device settings. Then check that all required permissions are enabled, especially anything related to network access or background activity. If you use a VPN or certain browser extensions that may interfere with Microsoft services, disable them temporarily and test the app again. Also, make sure background data usage is allowed, since blocking it can prevent the app from updating or loading content properly. Finally, check whether Microsoft services are operating normally. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. If there's a service outage, login failures, or unavailable messages may continue until Microsoft resolves it. You should also make sure your operating system is fully up to date and confirm that your device meets the app's requirements. If you've tried everything and Copilot still isn't working, the last step is to contact Microsoft support for further help. That's how to fix the Microsoft Copilot app when it's not working.